Here we are in section 1-1 with the solutions to numbers 1 through 8. Number 1, perform the indicated operation. This looks like an order of operations problem. So we're going to take care of the exponents first. This is 27. That's 3 to the third power minus. These two are multiplying together. So this is minus 8 plus square root of 81 is 9 times 10 is 80 divided by 2. So this is all left to right. So 9 times 10 is 90. Divided by 2 is 45. So 27 minus 8 is 19 plus 45 is 64. Number 2, 17% of 84, 0.17. That's the decimal. Of means times 84. And if we punch that into our calculator, there we go. 0.17 times 84 is 14.28. Number 3, evaluate each formula with the given variables. So here we're supposed to evaluate, we're given the formula that we're supposed to evaluate. So x is 6, and that's going to go in there. And t is 4, that's going to go in there. So we get 5 times 6 plus 2 over 4. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 over 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Number 4. This is for a cone, so we have to actually look up the formula, and we're trying to get the surface area. So surface area of a cone, that is pi r squared plus pi r L. Yeah, that's the formula in our book. So let's punch these things in. So r is going to be 4.6. So we're going to put a 4.6 there, square it, and then times it by pi. And then plus pi times 4.6 times L, which is 5.3. And that will be our SA. So plugging this in the calculator, we get pi times 4.6 squared plus pi times 4.6 times 5.3, and that comes out to be 143.068, 143.07, and this would be in meters. We're looking for an area meters squared. Areas always have a 2, a squared, on their units. All right, number 5. I have a rectangular sandbox, so we're going to be using the formula for a rectangle here, whose length is 4 more. So let's write this out. The length is 4 more than 3 times its width. There's the W. And the width is 13. What is the area of the sandbox? Let's find the length here. We know the width is 13, so we can stick that guy right up there, and we're going to get that the length is 4 plus 3 times 13. 3 times 13 is 39, plus 4 is 43. L is 43. So area, the formula for area from the book is length times width. We now know both of those. It's going to be 43 times 13. 43 times 13 gives us 559. And that is, let me see, what do we have here? Feet? Yeah, feet. So this is feet squared. We are doing an area. All right, down at the bottom here, number 6, Bill is 5 years older. Okay, so Bill, right there, B, is, that's an equal sign, 5 years older, so that's a plus sign, 5 years older than twice, so this is 2 times something. The sum is adding things together, so twice, 2 things added together. Twice the sum of Jenny and Penny's ages. Yeah. Number 7, Dave's, That's D. Income is $25 less than. Now, less than is subtracted from. So this is Dave's is 3 less than, 25 less than, oops, 25 less than 3 times Rebecca's. 3 times Rebecca's is right there. That's 3R. And yeah, that less than gets tricky that we have to switch them around. And then the last one, number 8. There are 8 times as many bunnies as turtles. This is one of those tough ones that switches some things around. Let's rewrite it. There are 8 times as many bunnies as turtles. So the number of bunnies is 8 times the number of turtles. That may be easier to understand when it says there are 8 times as many bunnies as turtles. There are a lot more bunnies. So the number of bunnies is 8 times the number of turtles. So it looks like this. Bunnies is 8 times the number of turtles. Good.